Part 2, latch hooking on your cornrow, the Braid Master. I know the first tutorial, they are so quick. I'm investing in a new camera to get. But here's my latch braid. I'm going to try to go slowly. I'm going to take my latch, go through the cornrow, loop my hair around, pull it through, take it one, I'm going to wrap it around the braid, 1, 2, 3, and then you almost pull it like a knot and just pull it through and it latches onto the cornrow. Again, I have my pre-braided hair already. Taking my latch, find a space on the cornrow, put the latch through, pull the hair, 1, 2, 3, 4, and pull through. That's the technique, and this is how the style looks when it's finished. I still have maybe 1 or 2, 3 more braids to put on the cornrow. So this is the Braid Master out again with part 2. Enjoy your day.